of being ghosted by buyers? Don't fret. Stay tuned for 3 simple steps you may be missing. I'm Kayla Montgomery, sales manager with the Reynolds team at Compass. Have you ever shown a home to a buyer and then been ghosted? You're not alone. Nowadays, most people are looking for instant gratification. Companies like Amazon, Shipt, and DoorDash have spoiled us with instant deliveries at the tap of a finger. Texting, DMing, PMing, IMing, instant contact is the norm. That's carried over into real estate, and there are buyers scheduling home tours with the click of a button. I'm sure you've been contacted by buyers who just want to see the home today at 3. I'm a firm believer in getting the appointment, even if you don't have a chance to learn much about them. However, while you're showing the house, you'll want to make sure you do these 3 things. Number 1, build rapport. Quickly establish some rapport by using an NLP technique, that's neuro-linguistic programming. Practice mirroring by subtly matching things like body language, tone, and vocabulary. If they're spirited and using hand gestures, match their style. If they keep saying, "We're looking for the perfect place," add "perfect place" into your vocabulary while showing them around. This isn't mimicking, and it's not changing who you are, it's simply helping to make them feel comfortable with you in a short amount of time. Number 2, ask LPMAMA questions. LPMAMA stands for location, price, motivation, agent, mortgage, and appointment. These are your qualifying questions to get to know what they're looking for. If you don't know the answers to these questions, you really can't help them. Number 3, do an on-the-spot buyer consultation. This is expectation setting. You'll want to offer a simple overview of the process, steps, costs, etc., what it takes to make an offer in today's market, and how you are going to be different from the rest. So if you're done with being ghosted, try these 3 steps to help create loyalty and build relationships. And if you want to chat about bringing your business to the next level, let's get together soon. Once again, I'm Kayla Montgomery with the Reynolds team of Compass, and my information is on the screen.